Hey y'all, CB Phillips here at NBS Welding. I'm here with the Arc Captain TIG 200P. We found this so far to be a pretty effective TIG welder for aluminum. I'm really impressed with it so far, and we've got something here that we're going to be taking a look at directly. Got an aluminum radiator in the shop, belongs to one of my customers. One of these radiators, it's not out of a pickup. This is a big aluminum radiator. One of these radiators would cost you about $2,000 to replace. This radiator has been in a position on that truck where there was a bolt that rubbed against the aluminum radiator and it's wore a hole in it. A leaking radiator is no good, absolutely useless. We're going to fix this $2,000 radiator with the Arc Captain TIG 200P, and this is a machine with a retail price of $899.99. So anyone literally in this situation could make over $1,000 just by owning this machine. If you could take a $900 welder and fix a $2,000 radiator, your money ahead. And this machine will do it. There's no doubt in my mind. I've played with enough aluminum. One of the videos I did, I was welding 60 thousandths wall 1-inch aluminum tubing with it. If you didn't see that, go back through my videos and check that out. But the ability of this machine to weld aluminum to me is pretty daggone impressive for the cost of the machine, and the pulse function and adjustability of the hertz and the cleaning action and everything. It's all right on point so far. I'm not finding a problem. So we're gonna take a look at this job and get it fixed up for them, and we're going to use the Arc Captain, and stay tuned. Couple important things. If you buy an Arc Captain, no matter if it's this TIG 200P or also the MIG 200 or whatever product you buy from the Arc Captain website, use the link in the description of this video to get to the site. And if you want to use a promo code, you can use the promo code NBS Welding for a discount. But it's important that you do those two things. I want you to use the link in the description of my video. And even if you're looking at, maybe you don't need a TIG, maybe you're into a multi-process stick MIG and TIG welder like the MIG 200. If you get the Arc Captain MIG 200, which we've already also found is a fantastic machine, in the description of the videos that I'm doing with Arc Captain, there's going to be a link that takes you to their site, and I want you to use that link and use the promo code NBS Welding. Now, there's been some people say, "Oh, I tried your promo code and it didn't work." We checked with Arc Captain about that, and usually if you use the promo code and it doesn't work, then there's already some kind of a coupon that you're getting, and they're not going to let you stack discounts. If you're getting a bunch off already, you don't get that. You may not be able to, but try the promo code, and if it works, then you'll get a discount. So this is the aluminum radiator I'm talking about. $2,000 the replacement cost of this. And right here is the reason this one's no good. Clearly you can see where this is rubbed against a bolt that stuck out of the cowling of that area where this was, and they didn't realize that was going on, and it just wore right through that. So while I was looking at that, I went ahead and looked around Now I see a spot right here where it was trying to do the same thing on the other side, but it doesn't look like it did much damage there. And I also saw another place that's been rubbing on something, but that didn't wear through. So our issue is right here. So let's get this cleaned up and weld it up for them. Let's do it. Well, that's that. This thing's fixed. Right here's where we had the leak. And I've obviously put a little more aluminum on there than what it needed to fix the leak. Built it up a little bit. Try to get some protection for that area. I'm sure they're gonna avoid having the bolt or whatever that was rubbing against it to continue to rub against it. But that was where we had the leak over here. There was two places here and here where there was damage. Now those didn't leak, and normally you wouldn't take the radiator out for that. But since it's out and it's on the table and it's being welded, I think it's a good idea to dab a little doodabber on there. And we just fixed a $2,000 radiator. Of course, when I make the video and I put up the video of the cleaning and welding that I did, I'll speed it up. But just so you know, I just checked and my time right there was 29 minutes and 22 seconds. That's what it took to do that. And the Arc Captain TIG 200P with that pulse function, it did absolutely fantastic on that. It does a great job welding that thin aluminum. I love the pulse, and it has a good cleaning action. My buddy Ron would tell you that I slid them welds in there like a preacher's pecker and a calf's ass, but you can say it however you want. That's fixed. We just fixed a $2,000 part in less than 30 minutes, and we did it with a machine that has a retail price of $899.99. And remember, guys, if you want any of the Arc Captain products, you might be interested in the TIG 200P. You may be interested in the MiG 200. You can go back and check out my review on the MiG 200. There's a couple videos on that. In the description of any of these videos that involve Arc Captain, there will be a link that'll take you to the Arc Captain site to buy. And if you want to buy any of these Arc Captain products, if you'll use that link in the description of my video, that helps me out. If you want to use the promo code NBS Welding, that also will help me out, and it'll get you a discount. Now, you can't, they're saying you can't stack coupons. So if there's a deal or a coupon already, you know, then the promo code NBS Welding might not give you more off, but try it. You know, if there's not some discount happening already, you'll get a discount by using my code. So there's also Tina's still got some t-shirts, so we're going to keep putting that. We're going to keep putting that out there. If anybody wants an NBS Welding t-shirt, send Tina an email and I'll have her get on taking care of that with you. And if you're interested in the Thrive supplements, there's also going to be a link that you can use for the Thrive supplements, like I take. And I'll even put that 5-minute video at the back of this video, and that'll explain the Thrive supplements that I use and that I also promote. So thanks for watching, and y'all have a good one. Hey y'all, CB here, the No BS Welder, coming at you with this t-shirt on because I wanted to show you the new t-shirt, NBS Welding here on the chest. Got the American flag on the sleeve, NBS Welding on the back. Get a hold of Tina. Send us an email at nbswelding@aol.com. Get a hold of Tina. If you want one of these shirts, $25 plus shipping and handling, she'll get you a shirt. So I'm plugging the shirts, and while I'm plugging the shirts and doing commercials, I just as well throw in my Thrive. Now, my Thrive system, if you didn't see my Thrive video, I can put a link in there and you can check that out later. The Thrive system is the supplement system that I've been taking. I'm on my 7th year. 7 years I've been taking Thrive. It's a supplement system. I start out first thing in the morning with these capsules right here. These capsules right here, this will get your turbo spinning. First thing, you get out of bed, as soon as my feet hit the floor, I take these 2 capsules right here and I drink me a glass of water. First thing. Then, within half hour to an hour later, I make a shake. This is a micronized powder. I'll put it in about 10-12 ounces or more of ice water. Shake it up real good, drink that down. Whenever I take the shake, I put on the patch. Now, there's different patches. When you go to the site, you can see whichever one you want. This is an elite patch. This is the elite formula shake. There's also the standard formula. If you want to know the difference, I think the elite is geared a little more towards weight loss, and I think the energy from the capsules is a little more spread out. On the elite, it's more of a slow release. So the elite is the new one, and then there's a standard formula. I'm taking the elite right now, but I've taken the standard formula for years. I took the standard formula for over 6 years. But if you want a supplement, if you're the kind of person like me that wants a supplement system, you know, I said before, there's some people that don't take supplements. They don't watch their diet. You know, it doesn't matter if they exercise or not. And they feel good, sleep good, they look fit, and they don't have to, they're just like that. And there's one thing I know for sure about those people is that I'm not one of them. Unfortunately, I got to take my supplements, I got to pay attention to what I eat, and I got to stay active or I'll gain weight. I'll gain weight and I don't feel good, and that's no good. And nobody wants to get fat and lazy, you know. And as I'm getting older, you know, I've got to do a little more all the time to keep myself, man, I want to be right there. You know, I want to be on it. Every day I want to get up and get going and do it. And I got to stay at it, man. So the link will be, there'll be a link in the description of the video, and you can find out where to sign up for the Thrive. If you sign up for the auto ship, you get a discount. And don't freak out because it's auto ship. You can cancel it whenever you want. But signing up for the auto ship will save you some money. But this Thrive supplement system, that's going to be your vitamins, minerals, your probiotics, your prebiotics, CoQ10, glucosamine, caffeine. But it's not caffeine like caffeine that's in coffee. It's not like caffeine. This caffeine, they extract it, from different ways and different sources. It's not just like the coffee caffeine. There's no crash with this. And if you follow this system, you get up, you take your capsules, you drink your shake, you put on your patch. Avoid all other caffeine. You don't want to be drinking coffee or Red Bull. You don't want none of that. You don't mix this stuff. You take your Thrive, and you'll get the energy, and you'll stay active, and you'll have reduced inflammation. You're getting all your vitamins and minerals, and you're going to fill in those gaps, those nutritional gaps that need filled in. You'll feel better, you'll look better, and be better. So if you want a t-shirt, $25 plus shipping and handling. Send us a request send us an email, nbswelding@aol.com. We're taking some pictures of the shirts where we can throw up pictures every once in a while with that email address in between the videos. And buy a shirt. Sign up for some Thrive. Get it on auto ship. Get to taking that. And let's roll.